experience I felt that the best way of empowering people is to give
I think
them
Abigail is ito po clear.
show them talaga what the real practices are like. Empower them with trainings, empower them with exposures, empower them with symposiums, venues where they can let their talents grow. And
Gusto mo pala
at the same
talaga?
time, make their
Oo.
life better. I personally feel that if you have
Paano yung maintindihan yung
the right
words?
student at the same time the right teacher, you have the right
makinig.
I've taught people in the classroom setting, I've taught people online, I've taught people even through books, a book that I wrote. So I like to actually show people that the choice to learn and develop themselves.
So, parang lalaki yung voice.
There are two boys si Abigail tsaka yung
Yes,
isang lead guy
it's
nurse.
actually in the works of 2007. The book is called The Executive Support System. It's a guide to protecting yourself from the international world. A lot of people come to me, people ask, why did you write this book? Because if there's one thing I get, one question I get, how do I protect myself from hula? How do I protect myself from the ghost?
Anong next?
From the demon?
Yan. Play mo lang yung sunod.
From
After ng
astral
Abigail.
projection. So basically I said,
Shit, ang haba nung
this
scene na
is
to,
going to be
ah.
the easiest book I can present for you to understand how to heal yourself in the most simplest manner possible. At the same time, in that book, we gave you a template of how to do an occult investigation. So you can actually apply certain methods that we've done
I think it's
here
just the
in
bits.
on your own after you do the book.
Twice. Wala pang twice.
Definitely.
May nagmura sa dulo.
Dito?
Yan.
Example of energies of other
Yung hump
people.
ng wheel.
Bad vibes is an example of others. Negative energy of others. You can either be a victim to these things, or you can learn to play these things in your life.
Clank ng wheel.
Galing.
It's like, I like to compare it to martial arts. Everybody says